In this video, I will show you how to make a printable visual schedule with Boardmaker 7. To create a new activity, we're going to click on the left-hand side of our screen on the green button that says New. Now that we've opened our new activity, we can find a template that we'd like to use. So I'm going to search for Printable. And then I know that I'm looking for a schedule, so I can go ahead and click down here on Visual Schedules. If I didn't see what I was looking for, I could use the search bar at the top to search for a specific topic or activity. Now that I've got all of my printable visual schedules here, I can find the one that will work best for my student. So you can see we've got some horizontal, we've got some that have times on them. There's lots of different options in the horizontal, or we can go to vertical. We have some different options here as well. I like the one that has the times of day, so we're going to pick this one, time 10-step vertical. Once we've selected it, we'll click Create in the bottom right corner. So now I have a blank sheet here with times next to it, and then I have a second page where I can put my different activities. So it gives me instructions, place text and symbols for each sequence into the boxes. I can also edit my times here, so if my school schedule is a bit different, if I'm not doing something at 9, we start at 8, I can click on my button here and type in 8 o'clock and hit enter, and it will find me the Boardmaker image for 8 o'clock instead of 9 o'clock. And I can edit all my different clocks to be the correct time for my student. Once I have all of my different times in place, I'm going to click on my second page, and I'm going to start adding some of the activities my student might have during the day that they'd want on their schedule. So we'll start with math. I'll click a symbol here, do reading, and I'm just typing into each box and then clicking enter. So as I type reading, I'll click enter, and now I have a bunch of different Boardmaker symbols. If I didn't like any of these symbols, I could also click on web, and it will pull different images from online, so I can add more realistic pictures if I don't want to use the Boardmaker symbols. For this schedule, I'm going to continue on using Boardmaker symbols, so we'll select one here, and I'm going to add a few more pictures in here. So now that I've added the rest of my pictures into the template, I'm going to go to the top left of my hand corner of my screen. I'm going to click Save, or I can do Control S. I'll save this as scheduled. And then I click Create PDF. And this is going to let me print my activity. First, I save it as an Adobe PDF, and then I go ahead and print it as I would any other PDF document. You'll see I have both pages here. And then once I've got everything ready to go, I click Create. I'll save it on my computer, and then I can open the PDF to print it. I'll just cut out my symbols, laminate them, use a little bit of Velcro, and then I've got an easy hands-on visual schedule that my student can take with him or her wherever they go.